Assalamu alaikum and good evening my dear students. In today's short video I want to discuss about last lessons, which was about short vowels from unit 1. Name of the unit was changes and the subject is phonics, spelling. Now page 1 and 2 was done before. Now that is a page 3, which is short vowels. Short A as in cap, train, grain, ring, clash, played, dense, drip, dwell, text, thread, and short I as in pin, bring, strict, drill. Short O sound is in hot, spill, prod, mock, swan. In short U as in butt, fun, scuff, clutch, shrunk. Now moving to page number 4, which is our short vowels, but these are word meaning. So in part A we discussed in our previous class, in part A write the spelling word that matches each definition below. Thick, heavy, dense. So definition means meaning of the following words. If we have matched the first word thick, heavy, dense. Number 2, live, reside, dwell. Number 3, verge, threshold, brink, the boundary. So brink means the boundary, as we discussed in reading lesson also. And number 4, laugh at or make fun of, mock, to make fun of. Number 5, trick, joke, prank. And number 6, grip, clinch, clutch. So grip and clinch means to hold something tightly. So I would give a brief explanation to the words which are comparatively difficult. Number 7, nudge and urge. Also it means prod. So nudge means when you push someone or something gently in order to draw attention of someone. Number 8, practice, exercise, drill. Number 9, severe, stern, strict. So hard, strict. Sounds easy. Part number B, write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. Number 10, please don't scuff your new shoes. So it means don't use in a rough way. Number 11, what is the rank of that soldier? Rank means the position of that soldier. Number 12, her red slacks and orange shirt clash. Here clash means not in the meaning of fight, but it doesn't have suitability. The orange and the red slacks. Number 13, this social studies text is already interesting. Number 14, can we start a fund to build a new library? Number 15, I dread playing my flute in front of an audience. Dread means I was afraid and scared. Number 16, the band wore matching plaid shirt. Now plaid means a kind of a shirt, a cloth in which there are rectangular shape of colors. So that's called plaid. Number 17, a gram is a smaller amount than a kilogram. Number 18, what animal is a threat to hummingbirds? So which animals are threat? Harmful and risk to the existence of hummingbirds or to the population or to the lives of hummingbirds. And number 19, the swan swimming on the lake is pure white. And number 20, my shirt has shrunk and it no longer fits me. So shrunk is the third form of shrink, shrunk. It means it just it tightens. So hopefully those who have missed would have a brief idea about. And thank you very much. See you inshallah with a new short video review video. Assalamu alaikum.